Who can resist the aroma and the taste of a churros dipped in chocolate sauce? With chocolate or just with sugar, this is sure a winner. Stay with me and I'll be showing you not just how to cook churros at home, but provide the tips and the tricks for a delightful churros. You're watching Channel 1 and this is the World Cuisine series presented in English. Let's join Romulo in his small kitchen. Warm British Chronicle here. Kumusta na kayo? We're cooking breakfast today, and international breakfast I would say because it's not common in the Philippines, but this is very common in Spain, particularly in the big cities. Churros. So we're converting our small kitchen here into a churreria. Not a panaderia, but a churreria. Very simple ingredients. I remember when I was still in the Philippines working in Ortigas, I always passed this Dulcinea restaurant in Mega Mall, and the smell of chocolate churros served with chocolate for dipping was really maddening, nakakabaliw. But I never stopped dahil wala akong mambili. Hindi. But kaya kong gawin at home. Yabang, no. That hindi sa pagyayabang, but that is to encourage you that you too can make this at home. Very simple ingredients, just flour, the classic version, just flour, salt, and water. Plus a chocolate dip if you want to be a bit luxurious, but to be on the economic side, just sugar. And if you have cinnamon powder. Very simple. Unlike French cuisine, Spanish cuisine are simple, hindi maluho. But for this version we're having, because we are adapting this to the international taste, I think I'll be adding butter and egg. These two always make wonders in pastries or in bread, so we'll do it. We have very limited ingredients, but we have special equipment for this. We need to give the churro its classic shape. You need this. It's difficult to visualize, but we need a piping bag, plastic piping bag with a nozzle, star-shaped nozzle, or if you have it, a more mechanical piping instrument. You need to create the ridges, yung mga kanal-kanal, to create that crispiness on the outside. You need this instrument to create those ridges along the churros. It makes wonders on the texture. Let's start. This is very easy. Water. A dash of salt always enhances the flavor. Don't forget. As I've said, as we agreed on earlier, we're not doing the classic, but we're doing the enhance by adding butter. And of course, preferably full cream. Let's wait until this boils. It's boiling now, let's add the flour. You can always find the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. I'll concentrate on giving you the tips and tricks rather than the measurements. At this point, turn off the flame. Tip, we want to easily squeeze the piping bag so it doesn't harm to add a bit more water. If you feel that your dough is a bit hard, just add more water. And that is what I just did. I added some more water. It was just hard. And we add the egg. Into the piping bag now. And that's the key to making churros, be able to make that shape. Filling a piping bag can be a challenge, so we'll use a glass. Yeah. It's necessary to test it first. Yeah, let's do a bit of rehearsal. Yeah, it works. I'm happy. Let's start frying. You might not like this, but I'll be reusing the same oil I've used for frying churros the other day. No contamination, is the same churros. It's just the particles in the in the oil that might produce spots in the churros. Well, let's do it. I hope you're still enjoying my little churreria. If you prefer traveling, you might want to watch my Bali My Mundo. That's the travel channel of Channel 1. This is growing and cooking. Also interesting places there and cuisines. Small accident. The piping plastic broke, so no choice but I have to use this better one. Our churros success, my friends, despite 2 piping bag accidents. It's success. I'll be preparing a luxurious chocolate dip for this, and I'll be dividing it. The half I'll just dip in sugar. The rest I'll dip in chocolate sauce. We'll do the chocolate sauce next. Stay tuned. I can't wait to taste it. Let's start with the smallest. Ooh, oh, they're almost of the same size. Unbelievable. Yeah. This will become a regular breakfast in my kitchen. We'll do the chocolate sauce first. Delicious. And if you enjoy watching Channel 1, don't forget to like and leave your comment. What do you want me to cook next? And ibida natin ang pagkain natin sa buong mundo. And let's also embrace, let's expose our Pinoy palate to other cuisines of the world. Today, it's churros from Spain. Classic Spanish breakfast. It's easy to melt chocolate, but I'll be using this. Water on low flame and a bowl. I have a very small amount of chocolate. We don't have the luxury of using pure chocolate, so we'll be adding milk and butter. Equal part. The amount of chocolate equals the amount of butter and milk. Well, the truth is, if you want a thinner sauce, add more milk. I have very little packaging of evaporated milk. We better use this. The small packaging are too expensive. If you can only smell this, you'll get mad, really. Nakakabaliw. We'll prepare the economical version, just sugar and some cinnamon. Just dredge the churros with the mixture. Finally, after 2 piping bag incidents, our churros, no matter how you prepare it, just with sugar or with a luxurious chocolate dip. It's easy to make, as you've seen. But buy a strong piping bag. You can do it at home. Thank you for joining me today. Your Queen Uncle here with our international upload for Mondays. Churros, a breakfast in Spain. It can also serve as merienda anywhere. I hope to have you again next time here on Channel 1, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed watching, and if you prefer traveling to Spain or elsewhere, watch our My Barrio, My Mundo. Gawa na, huwag na mainggit. Your Queen Uncle here in Holland. Until next time, you stay by. What should I eat first? Let's have this. Grabe, nakakabuang. Nakakabuang talaga. I can't stop this. I'm alone here. How I wish you were here with me. I've got no one to share this to. This was fun during the lockdown. I hope to have you again in the future uploads when life is back to what we used to call normal. Take care of yourself. Gawa na rin sa inyo. You can do this at home. Remember, just flour and salt. Just sugar or chocolate.